Hi everyone, I'll tell you a secret. When it comes to dealing with a narcissist, there's no but, only no. And when you say it, you have to really mean it. Yeah, dealing with a narcissist can be as simple as that. However, you need to be prepared for any kind of reaction, which can vary from dissatisfaction to indifference to rage. When I say be prepared, it means you have to be firm and resolute with your answer. Here, I'll tell you why saying no is the ultimate solution for dealing with narcissists. Because if you try to reason with them, here's what you'll get. Before moving further, I hope you can help this channel grow by liking and sharing this video with your friends and relatives. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. 1. Narcissists are full of themselves. Why should you say no to narcissists? You might try to be kind to them, but you must not forget that narcissists are full of themselves. They're obsessed with whatever things they desire and they won't stop. That's why every topic will go back to them. Even when they have to talk about something bigger than themselves, they'll eventually shift it to themselves. You'll find them always telling tales about their attractiveness, power, success, and abilities, all just to woo you and make you follow their steps. 2. They boast their talents and achievements excessively. The stories about them will never end. Narcissists will not get tired to tell you about their past stories when they're more than just successful. They'll dramatically boost their achievements and talents in the past, but, of course, the level of grand stories will be different from one to another. They'll try to make you believe that they still have that power to reach their success levels once again, and they want to recruit you. 3. They keep blaming others for every problem. Narcissists think that their grand scheme is flawless. That's why when problems arise, they'll refuse to admit that it's part of their mistake and instead blame others. Blaming, shaming, showing anger, or showing humiliation to others become their standard response to problems. Of course, blaming others will not be the solution, but it can distract people. Simply put, it will save their image. 4. They must be the leader because they said so. For narcissists, they are, they should be, they will be, and they must be the boss. Why? It is simply because they said so. They think that they have more capabilities than you. That's why it becomes their right to climb the success ladder higher. Unfortunately, they'll not last long at the top. Someone will realise that they only use people to do the job. Some of them are really good at it. We can say many leaders have been narcissists. They use you or others to reach their goals, and they'll blame you or others when the job is not done. 5. Demanding praises constantly. Narcissists will be super thirsty for praise and attention. That's why they'll demand more and more. They'll not just lay back and wait for the attention and praise. They'll use many tricks and even a childish one to get what they want. They'll throw a tantrum if necessary. If it's something they do as a kid, it might be pretty amusing. Yet no one can have fun when a grown-up man throws a tantrum for attention. 6. They take everything personally. Narcissists might want to look powerful, but most of them are pretty fragile. Everything will be taken personally. It will not take a long time for them to feel hurt or rejected by the smallest thing. There's no doubt about it, because they're so full of themselves. They might wear a specific perfume or cologne that makes you give an allergic reaction. They'll only think you don't like them, even though your allergy isn't something you can control. Their reaction will be inappropriate and full of resentment. Well, what do you think of this video? Do you think this information is accurate and helpful? If so, don't hesitate to tell us your stories in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching.